Hi, are you a teacher, lecturer, instructor, and you're really tired of wasting 5 to 10 minutes at the beginning of every class session to take attendance? Well, with Wooclap, you can quickly and easily take attendance at the start of every class session using our interactive digital polling tool. Let me show you how it works. Go to your Wooclap interface and create a new Wooclap event by clicking on Create Event. I'll call this one Class Attendance September 5, and I'll customize the event code over here, Woo Attend. Then I'll click on the settings wheel at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see the attendance sheet option, which you can turn on or off. If you turn it on, it will ask your participants to enter their first and last names in separate fields as soon as they connect to your Wooclap event. To test this, let's start my event by displaying the How to Participate instructions here. And I'll wait a moment to let my participants connect. As always, your participants can connect to the event either by scanning the QR code on the left-hand side of the screen or by going to wooclap.com and entering in the event code. If you like, you can also turn on the authentication setting. Let me show you here in the settings on the right-hand side of the screen. This will ask your participants to log into Wooclap. This way, their names and email addresses will be filled in automatically once they connect to your event. After my event has finished, I can go to the Wooclap reports via the right-hand side menu in the event interface. When I click Report, the Reports window will open. This is kind of a funny one because I didn't actually ask any questions. However, one of the reports I can then view is the attendance sheet. You'll see your participants' first and last names, as well as the exact date and time that they clicked Send to submit their names to the attendance sheet. For users with a basic, pro, or custom Wooclap account, you can also download an export of any of the reports generated by Wooclap. If your institution has a custom Wooclap license integrating to a learning management system that adheres to the standards of LTI 1.3, such as Blackboard or Brightspace, just to name a few, then you can also choose to synchronize the attendance directly with your LMS. Have a look at our Help Center for more details, or if you're wondering whether or not this feature is available to you. So there you go. The next time that you're starting your class, you won't have to waste all that time taking attendance at the top. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope that it's helpful, and we hope to see you next time on Wooclap.